Hey guys, Adam from Blue Line here. We wanted to give you guys a little bit of a winter update. So for the month of February, Blue Line is actually going out on the road. We've never been to these fly shows before, but we're headed out to two different ones. We're going to be at Denver and Atlanta. Plus, we're gearing up for this spring. So our content was going to be really light on YouTube. So we wanted to bring something for you. I think this is going to be a really cool idea, and I personally don't know that this has ever been done. So we are going to hand over the keys to our YouTube channel to our buddies at Dorsal Outdoors.
I think I sent you on Friday.
Yes!
They are going to take over our YouTube for the month of February.
Why do we have to make this impossible feat harder than it already freaking is?
So every week in February, they're going to be bringing you a different video.
Moving left, strip in, strip in. Keep stripping, keep stripping. He went down. Oh yeah, he's on there. Hey, strip hard, strip hard, strip hard. You got it. Yeah, Dan, that's a monster. Yeah, there we go.
They've got a couple of saltwater films that I think will fit great with what you guys are interested in watching.
I'm still terrified.
We've got a DIY bone fishing film, a red fishing film, and they've got some budget blue water films that I think are really going to hit home with a lot of you folks. So stay tuned to the Blue Line channel for next month for the Dorsal Takeover. I know that you guys are going to love those films, and let us know what you think about this experiment. We all hope you guys are getting on some fish, had a wonderful holiday season. Thank you so much for all of the orders over the Christmas break. We really appreciate that. Let's go ahead and start gearing up for next spring. And if you're going to come to any of the shows, make sure you come see us. Thanks, guys.